Morning, students. Hope you all are fine and staying safe. Today we are going to start a grammar lesson number 2, the sentence. Look at the following group of words. A camel sells medicines. The helicopter took off from a helipad. Please let me go to the mall. Each of these groups of words makes complete sense. Each of them is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So students, what we have understood from this example? We have read these 3 examples and we can see that these sentences are giving some meanings. So any group of words which gives some meaning, that is a sentence. Now see next, points to ponder. Ponder means to which we have to think. You have to keep in mind. Which are the points we have to keep in mind? The words in a sentence are placed in such a way that they make complete sense. So what is the first point we have to keep in mind? That this group of words which is called a sentence always gives you some meaning, makes complete sense. Second, a sentence always begins with the capital letter, and this we all know. Whenever we start any sentence, it always starts with capital letter. A sentence usually ends with the full stop or a question mark if it is a question. Right? Look at the following group of words. Now see these words, these group of words. Now note that are these group of words giving you some meaning? Think. Grows, a, vegetables, fruits and farmer. Second, health, have, fruits, vegetables and benefits many. Eat, all, daily, us, of, should, fruits, vegetables and. Each of the above groups of words does not make complete sense because the words in them are not arranged in proper order. So they cannot be called sentences. Have you understood? These groups of words are not giving any meaning. Why? Because these are not arranged in proper order. These are jumbled up sentences. So let us arrange the words in each group in their proper order. A farmer grows fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits have many health benefits. All of us should eat fruits and vegetables daily. Now you can notice that these sentences are sentences. These groups of words are sentences. Why? Because they are giving you meaning. These are meaningful sentences. These are not jumbled up. So these are complete sentences giving you complete meaning. Understood? Now each of these groups of words can be called a sentence because it is meaningful. Now see this one. Look at the following group of words. During the holidays, in the evening, children are. Now you can notice that these are incomplete. These are not sentences. These are incomplete. They are not giving you any meaning. The above groups of words are not sentences, but we can make them into sentences by adding some words to each of them. Like, see the first one. Now this phrase, during the holidays, is used in this sentence like this: we played traditional games during the holidays. Now see, this phrase during the holidays is used here. Now by adding some more words, this group of word is made a sentence. It is giving some meaning. Next is in the evening. I always take a leisurely walk in the evening. Children are God's precious gifts. So by adding some more words, these are made sentences which gives you some meaning. I hope you have understood what is a sentence. So let us revise it again. A sentence is a group of words which gives you some meaning. It should make complete sense. Any sentence which is incomplete, which is not giving you any meaning, which are jumbled up, is not a sentence. Okay? And remember, sentence always ends with the full stop. So now come to the first exercise. put a tick against those group of words which are sentences and a cross against those which are not. So in this exercise you have to tick to the group of words which are sentences and put a cross which are not sentences. First one, let me have fun. Yes, this is a sentence. There are, no, this is not a sentence, so put cross. The deer was running in the forest. Yes, this is a sentence. Fetch me a pen. Fetch means to bring. Fetch me a pen. Yes, put tick. It is a sentence. By a margin. It is not complete sentence. This is incomplete. So put cross. Again, not play in the rain. Again, incomplete. So this is not a sentence. Put cross. The rest you try to do yourself. Tomorrow we will discuss the answers. Till then, practice and take rest. Stay safe. Bye bye.